Hi, I'm Scott Timney with Slug-A-Bug Pest Control. Today we're doing a fumigation over here in Indialantic, Florida. What's involved is we gotta go through room to room, make sure that the people are cleared out, and make sure there isn't any food items that can't be there during the fumigation process, also medicines and stuff like that. The process involves using a crane to basically load the tarps up on the roof. Soon afterwards, they go through and they start sealing up the corners of the roof so it doesn't tear through the tarps. And then eventually they'll be dropping the tarps down and sealing them with alligator clips, make sure the tarps don't split apart. And then they'll be releasing a gas, Vikane gas. The gas, what that does is eliminates Drywood termites. Very common termite here in the beachside area. The tarps will be on for one day. They'll be removed the following day. The condo will be aired out. And then on day 3, they'll go through and clear all the 24 units, make sure it's clear of the gas. So if you have any commercial property or residential property that you think may have termites, give Slug-A-Bug a call. You can reach them at 321-259-7844.